Welcome back to Shifting News, a brilliant channel with amazing facts across different cities, countries, and touching on different personalities. It's interesting how Nairobi city is growing. There has been development with regard to buildings, infrastructure, roads, and many other things. In this video, we are going to give you unique views of the Western Bypass and see how it is progressing on. Be sure to watch this video until the end. Like it, comment, and subscribe if you are new to this channel. The Kenyan government is in the process of improving the road network to attain global standards. The Western Bypass is one of such initiatives and serves as a link to complete the ring roads to surround Nairobi. The other three bypasses include Northern Bypass, Eastern Bypass, and Southern Bypass. The Western Bypass starts at Gitaru, passing through Kingero, Wangige, Denderu, and terminates near Two Rivers Junction in Ruaka. The project is a joint collaboration funded by both the Kenyan government and Exim Bank of China at a total cost of 17 billion Kenya shillings. China Road and Bridge Corporation is the contractor. The construction was started back then in March 2019. The time frame for the construction was estimated to last for 39 months. Hopefully, it will be complete by December 2021 or early 2022. The project is aimed at reducing traffic volumes that flows to the city center and boost economic growth. The Transport CS James Masharia also said the projects will enhance tourism in the city.
In total, it's about 17 kilometers from Ruaka to Gitaru, dual carriageway with 7 interchanges, like I've said. And because, as you've seen, this is a very expensive road to do. In terms of design, in terms of where it's passing, it's going to cost us about 17 billion shillings. But it is a very, very critical link, which will make a very big difference, not just this area, but also the entire city of Nairobi. And so we are on 64% completion, and we've been assured that by December, this road will be opened for use. So if you are coming, say, from the side of Thika, you come through Muthaiga, you come through Red Hill, you come and join this road at Ruaka, and then you can go towards the west without having to go to the city of Nairobi. The same thing if you are coming from Rift Valley, you can use now Southern Bypass, going all the way to City Cabanas if you are going towards Mombasa Road. This is what you create seamless connectivity within our country, within our city of Nairobi. It will make Nairobi very, very attractive in terms of foreign direct investment, in terms of tourism. Last night I officiated with my colleague Najib Balala. Nairobi is hosting a summit on tourism, where we have key ministers from the globe coming to Nairobi to discuss how to reactivate tourism. If we don't do these roads, that will be a dream. And so that's why, together with my colleague Najib Balala, I want to do the infrastructure bit so that Nairobi becomes a lot more attractive. That way, this city will be so attractive that you're going to find most of the conferences being held here, most of the foreign direct investment coming here. And so it will be good for us for the future. And that's why we are here to make sure that those targets which have been given to the contractor are met without fail.
It will have 7 interchanges at Gitaru, Kihara, Lower Kabete, Denderu, Ruaka, Rumingi, and Wangige. Continue watching this video until the end as we showcase this road. Subscribe if you are a new member to this channel. And thank you to all our existing members including Mobea, Arroyo, DJ Joe 254, Dennis the National, Motive the Traveler, and more others. Click on the notification bell to ensure you do not miss out on any of our new uploads. Thank you for watching and see you in our next video.